The journey begins with the preparation of a dough mixture, where warm milk, sugar, and yeast come together in harmony. Allowing this mixture to activate is not just a step, it's the cornerstone of achieving that velvety consistency we all crave. This moment is crucial, it sets the stage for the perfect texture. As the process unfolds, we gradually incorporate ingredients like yogurt and flour. This delicate addition crafts a soft and pliable dough, inviting the right flour choice into the mix. The flour, my friends, is the unsung hero, pivotal for achieving those optimal baking results. Once the dough is kneaded to perfection, we set it aside to rise in a warm nook. This isn't just about letting it sit, this phase enhances both flavor and texture, allowing the dough to ferment properly. It's this fermentation that breathes life into the final product, making it truly unforgettable. Turning our attention to the meat, a symphony of flavors awaits us. We can explore different types of meat, aiming for a fat content around 25%. This is where richness meets taste, crafting a flavor profile that dances on the palate, inviting you to savor every bite. Spices are the backbone of our dish: salt, black pepper, and a selection of others that enhance flavor without overwhelming it. Here's where fresh herbs like parsley join the mix, adding a touch of vibrancy and freshness that transforms the dish from ordinary to extraordinary. Let's discuss the grinding technique, a seemingly simple yet crucial element. A coarse grind preserves the meat's texture, preventing any mushiness. This attention to detail ensures every bite delivers a satisfying crunch, staying true to our culinary vision. Now, achieving the right consistency in the meat mixture is equally important. We need it to hold together, striking a balance between too thick and just right. This harmony enhances the overall texture of the dish, allowing it to shine in its own right. When we roll out the dough, using minimal oil is key. This method helps maintain its integrity while making it manageable. The result? A pliable dough that remains true to its purpose, perfect for the delicious creation we have in mind. As we seal the edges of the dough, we're not just closing off the filling, we're ensuring the masterpiece remains intact during baking. This crucial technique plays a pivotal role in crafting the perfect Hawashi loaf, inviting excitement with every bite. Brushing the Hawashi with ghee enhances more than just its color, it elevates the flavor significantly. This simple technique offers a beautiful appearance and a delightful taste, transforming our dish from something good into something truly spectacular. The thickness of the dough plays a vital role in our creation. It needs to walk that fine line, not too thick, yet not too thin. This careful consideration ensures our finished Hawashi retains an authentic texture, reminiscent of traditional bread that warms the soul. Cooking temperature is our next adventure, crucial for achieving that coveted golden hue. We must bake the Hawashi at a high temperature, ensuring a crispy exterior that beckons to be tasted. It's the promise of texture that excites our culinary senses. The layering kicks off with mozzarella and cheddar cheese, accompanied by vibrant vegetables like peppers and olives. This is where we elevate the dish, creating a delicious and satisfying meal that embodies a feast for both the eyes and the palate. Every chef has their own preference when it comes to cheese. This flexibility allows each person to control the quantity, whether they lean towards a cheesier taste or prefer a more restrained flavor. This adaptability makes our dish accessible, catering to a broader audience. Serving the dish straight from the oven is not just a suggestion, it's an experience. Enjoying Hawashi hot emphasizes every layer of flavor, enhancing taste and texture to perfection. The pleasure of indulging in something fresh cannot be overstated. Opting for a large Hawashi not only saves time compared to crafting smaller portions, but it also results in quick meals. This efficiency is especially appealing to busy students or families, offering nourishment without compromise. With a thin layer of meat enveloped within, our Hawashi ensures a flavorful experience that's not overwhelming. This thoughtful preparation method enhances the overall taste and texture, presenting a dish that satisfies every craving. Finally, this recipe is a blank canvas, ready to be customized to suit various preferences. Whether you're a cheese aficionado or a devotee of traditional Hawashi, it graciously accommodates a diverse array of tastes and dietary choices, inviting everyone to the table.